Right, welcome back to Urban Explorer, guys. Urban Explorer Jamie, guys. Welcome back. And welcome back to the Hornsea Rail Trail, guys. So today, I'm at Hornsea Bridge Railway Station. We're ending my video a week ago. So I'm at Hornsea Bridge Railway Station. What's the end of this video a week ago? So today's video is going to be from Hornsea Bridge, which is here, down to the terminus at Hornsea Town, which is that way. So this was Hornsea Bridge Railway Station, guys. This was. And then the Hornsea Bridge Industrial Estate over there, that used to be where the goods yards used to be for this line. Also, this line over here used to be carried over the road by a single span steel bridge over here. And the embankment's over that other side. So there used to be a single span steel bridge which used to carry the railway over here. So this is Hornsea Bridge Railway Station here, guys, where I am now. This is Hornsea Bridge. So just above me there used to be a single span steel bridge over here carrying where the railway used to go. There's the embankment's over there, and then it joins over here again on the Hornsea Rail Trail. But this is the only major break on this whole Hornsea Railway line. It's the only major break this is, guys. Was this line closed in 1965, part of the beaching cuts. So this is Hornsea Bridge Railway Station, guys, what former. And there's some information about it there, guys. So there's some information about it as well. And look what's over here, guys. Picket fences up here. And this is metal and sleepers from the old railway line here. So now I'm back on the Hornsea Rail Trail now, guys, and this is where it comes on again. Is this way towards Hornsea? This is way towards Hornsea. And it's that way back towards Hull, but I'm not going to Hull today because I've already been from Hull, so today's section is going to be from Hornsea Bridge Railway Station to Hornsea Town. So I'm back on the Hornsea Rail Trail now, babe. I'm back on the Hornsea Rail Trail now, guys. Oh, the Transparent Trail, should I say? That's what its name has. That's what its name is. And you still see the picket fence down here, guys. And these picket fences are from the railway area, these are. See, picket fences. And that is part and parcel of this railway line, part of its history. I've got to remember, guys, this line closed in 1964 as part of the beaching cuts. So this line closed 62 years ago, this line did. It closed 62 years ago. Actually, 60 years ago this one closed. And that is where it ends. That's where the picket fence ends, guys. So that's where the picket fence ends here. And it goes all the way down there to Hornsea Bridge Railway Station, which is just through there. So I'll see you guys when I get a bit further along. I'm going to get some footage on my mobile now. Look at this metal sign, guys, here. This is one of 3 on this line here. And this represents half a mile to Hornsea Bridge and half a mile to Hornsea Town. I've had to clear the way the rubble there, but this is the first of 3. So there's 3 of these on this line altogether on this section. This is the first of 3. So there's half a mile, quarter of a mile, and then a mile. But this is half a mile post. So I thought I'd come on and show you guys that. So that's really interesting. It's just up there, it's Hornsea Bridge Railway Station, guys, and then Hornsea Town is that way. So I just thought I'd come on and show you guys that. So I'll see you guys when I get a bit further. Look what I found down here, guys. Some old concrete posts from the railway area here. Some old concrete posts. And they go all the way down up to there. And these are part of the railway area as well, so this is some more relics I've just found just after Hornsea Bridge. Concrete posts. So that's some more relics I found, which is down here. And I've also found this, which is in centre of your screen. I've also found that. This here, which is in centre of your screen, and that's made of metal. So I think that used to be a signal or something. Used to be a signal post or something, but it's not there now. But looks like it used to be a signal gantry. So that's some more relics I found in this disused railway line. It's amazing how many relics I'm finding along this route, guys. It's amazing. I'm finding loads. So I thought I'd come on and show you guys then. There, so I'm still on the track bed here, guys. And see in front of me, this was the track bed here that's in front of me. This was the track bed. And just through them bushes, you'll see it coming to view soon. There you are, there's a sign. That's the big Tesco's there. That's the big Tesco's here. You can send your screen, which is there. That's the big Tesco's. Well, I'm trying to find some more relics here, guys. But I haven't found any yet, but there's one coming into view. And this is it here, guys. Just there, right in centre of your screen. I'll go a bit further, then you can see it. And it's this. It's this post here. And this is from the rear area, guys, you can tell. Oops, by the rusty old bolt. You can tell this is from the rear area, but it's really, really loose now, guys. This looks really loose. But this is a survival on the Hornsea Rail Trail. It looks like it used to house a gate. There's a rusty old hinge here. So that used to be an old railway post. It looks like there used to be a gate here. Sadly, the other one's disappeared now, so you can't see it. It's probably been sawn off, or it's been took off, or been took down. That is one surviving relic from the old Hornsea railway line. That post with a rusty old hinge on. That's another relic I found. Well, I found no more relics yet, guys, but look. What's coming in front of me here? That's now a picnic area over there now. It's a picnic area now. But look what's here. A bridge that carries over a drain. So this is the bridge now. There's the bridge. And look in front of your screen there. That rusty old pipe there. That must have been here since the railway was here. But now carries over a drain now. And that's the end of the bridge here. And there's the bridge. So I've just crossed over that bridge now, so I'm nearly at the end of nearly at Hornsea Town. Yeah, so a bit further down from that drain bridge there, guys, a bit further down, I'm on the old track bed, which is here in front of me. We're coming towards person number 2 of the markers. That's this one. 1/4 of a mile. So this is number 2 of 3. We're training on the bottom. This one signals 1/4 of a mile.
Well,
Hiya. So I'm still continuing on the Hornsea Rail Trail, guys. I'm still continuing. I'm on the track bed here. Yes, this line closed in 1964, guys. This line closed. There's a bridge here. I'm just going down this hill bit. There's a icon here I want to show you. And there it is. Artwork of a train with Hornsea Town on the top. But ain't our coach, ain't our locomotive. So that's the train there with Hornsea Town on the top. And the train and the LNR coaches. We'll go back on the track bed briefly. Transparent trail sign there. So that's what I've been covering since Hull. Then Hornsea Town Station sign as well. That's amazing. Well, some really nice locals have just told me about this picture here. And it really is nice. There's a train up there with the LNR coaches. Hornsea at night. There's Hornsea Town Station there. That's what I'm going to today. That's on our night there again. Look at that above there. That's another feature as well. Our passengers at Hornsea Town Railway Station. Or what it used to be. That is fantastic. And then this is a really nice feature, guys, here. And what it used to look like. Brilliant. So yeah guys, I'm nearly the end of this lost railway line now. I'm heading towards Hornsea Town railway station, which was the terminus of this railway line. I'm coming into view now is the old wall. Alright.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, good, thanks Jess. Yes, this is the retaining wall guys from the Hornsea Town railway station here. You can tell it's all original. So it's all the original here. Yes, I'm at the terminus now. Yes, this is the original retaining wall here. And just in front of me there is the terminus of this once great railway line, Hornsea Town railway station. And there's the last sign there with one mile to Hornsea Bridge, 1 mile to Hornsea Town. And Hornsea Town railway station is here. And this was the original terminus, and this was the excursion platform what's here before me. So this is Hornsea Town railway station guys, where this line terminated. There's that way, back that way towards Hull and Hornsea Bridge, and then this is Hornsea Town here is the last stop. So this was the original building. The excursion platform was there. And some information about it here. There. And they're the person I saw before. They're the person I saw before, all three. Half mile, quarter mile, 1 mile. And some pictures of it here, guys, what it used to look like. And there's the DMU waiting to depart from the platform going to Hull. Information about it there. But this is the terminus of this once great railway line. Right, so this is the road here, guys, and this is where the railway used to be. And all these properties here now are all flats. But where this road is now, what I'm on, this used to be where the tracks used to be. One that side, and one that side. And just in front of me, just in front of you there, where you see the police station and the post box, there used to be a crossing there. I've just been speaking to a guy, he said there was a crossing there, where the locals used to go down there, turn round, uncouple, turn round and then come back. But this road I'm currently walking on, this used to be the track bed, where the tracks used to be. And all these properties here now, where the station is, because this is the other side of the station, these are all flats now. They've all got the names on, like the waiting room, station mews and everything. So railway relics still survive on this route. That's where the passengers used to go out to the station platform into these platforms here. There used to be a canopy over here as well. Over here there used to be a canopy as well. So this building is still the station, but it's all dwellings now and flats. Station court, the ticket office, that used to be ticket office there. And that's the end of the station there. This is normal housing down here. But this used to be where the track used to go, here. Straight in front of me, this is where the track used to go. And just down there as well, where the track used to go as well. So this is a grade 2 listed building here at Hornsea Town. They've got all names on it. 21 station cart, ticket office, there's the archway where the passengers used to come and board. That's the archway where the passengers used to come onto this part here and board the trains. There's the waiting room. There's the station house. Yeah, and here's the station house, guys. And that is station cart. And there's the station house there. So that's station cart, guys, there, that's station cart. And then station house. And just over here, it's back where the excursion platform was. And Hornsea Town railway station was here. And there's Hornsea Town signage there. Right then, guys, so this is what I'm going to do in today's video, guys. So thank you very, very much for watching. Hope you like this series, what I've been doing. I've been coming the whole Hornsea railway line for the past year, and this is the stopping point. This is where it finished. So right behind me now is Hornsea Town railway station, and that's where this line's terminated and stopped. Right then, guys, thank you very, very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the series. Go on to subscribe to my both channels, Jamie Hornsea 5, Urban Explorer Jamie and Jamie's Disused Rail Walks. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now, guys.
Reach for the speed, reach for the whistle, go where the rail may run. Reach for the words, reach for the story, follow the rainbow sun. To a shining time station, where dreams can come true, waiting there for you. So much to see, so far to travel, so much to learn to know. Friends by your side, hopes to hold on to, who knows how far you'll go. To a shining time station, where dreams can come true,